Temaribet ላንቺ Temaribet ላንተ.
Hello students, welcome to Temaribet. I am Aragany. I am a grade 12 geography and history teacher, and today we are going to look at one interesting topic, that is plate boundaries. Do you ever think about why some countries are experiencing geological hazards like earthquake, volcanic eruption, and some other countries are not experiencing such catastrophes? For example, why do you think Ethiopia is one of these unfortunate nations that face geological hazards? Why volcanic eruptions were happening in Afar region, and why frequent earthquakes are happening along the Rift Valley region of Ethiopia? All these questions can be answered in today's lesson by understanding the concept and working of plate boundaries. So let's get started by defining what plate boundary itself means. Plate boundary is nothing but it is a place where plates meet. Plates are huge rock slabs that are part of the lithosphere, and they are sliding and gliding over the asthenosphere, that is the plastic layer of the upper mantle. That is a concept we have learned in our previous lesson. Therefore, plate boundary is the meeting place where two different plates contact to each other. Therefore, it is a place where plates meet. Simple definition. However, this is not a place where only plates meet. Rather, it is the place boundaries are places of geologic hazards. What are geologic hazards? Hazards that emanate from the womb of the earth. For example, earthquake. For example, volcanoes. All these activities are frequent along plate boundaries. Therefore, why Ethiopia recently, the Afar region, experienced one of the deadliest volcanic eruptions, even though there was no human casualty associated with the volcanic eruption, but this eruption was one of the greatest eruptions in the volcanology, or in volcanic study of volcanic history. Therefore, why this volcanic eruption happened? Because Ethiopia is located along plate boundaries. We are located just at the meeting place of the Nubian and the Somalian plate. So, after defining plate boundaries, types, plates, this meeting place of different rock slabs are divided into three types. The first one is constructive or divergent. The second one is destructive or convergent. The third one is conservative or transform plate boundaries, convergent plate boundaries, divergent plate boundaries. Let's see each of them. Divergent plate boundaries are boundaries where two opposite plates are moving away from each other. When two plates are moving away from each other. When this one is moving to this direction and this one is moving to this direction, this boundary is called divergent. And the question is why these plate boundaries are diverging or separating each other. It is due to the upwelling of magma. When magma rises to the surface, it is struggling to erupt. In the process of struggling to erupt, these plates are forced to move apart. Therefore, such type of boundary is called divergent plate boundary. Then when the magma is successful in erupting, it creates new crust around here. This newly created crust is wedging or serving as a wedge to split these two opposite places to different direction, and new crust came into being, and therefore we call it constructive. therefore እዚች ጋር ያለችው ተርም እንዳታምታታችሁ ዳይቨርጀንት ብሎ መለያየት ብሎ ኮንስትራክቲቭ የሚለው ኮንሴፕት የሚያምታታ ነገር ይመስላል። ስለዚህ ዳይቨርጀንት ሆኖ ለምንድነው ኮንስትራክቲቭ ያልነው? ቢኮዝ ኒው ክረስት ስለሚፈጠር። አንድ ስፔሲፊክ ታይፖች አሉት። ስፔሲፊክ ታይፕስ የመጀመሪያው ኦሽኒክ plates are of two types, oceanic plate and continental plate. Oceanic and continental plates እነዚህ ሁለቱ የተለያየ ቢሄቪየር ነው ያላቸው። Oceanic plate is heavy, continental plate is less heavy. And oceanic plate is composed of basalt, continental plate is composed of granite. And oceanic plate is young and this one is old. Look, this difference results in the formation of different landforms. Oceanic divergent plate boundary በሚኖርበት ሰዓት under the oceans there is upswelling of magma, therefore there is development of new crust, mountain-like structures, therefore there will be a oceanic ridge. Oceanic ridge የሚባል አዲስ landform ይሰራል under the oceans. እሺ on the other hand continent two continental plates are moving away from each other. What happened during such phenomena? And ወደዚህ ሲሄድ ምን ይሆናል? There will be rift valley. Rift Valley such as the Great East African Rift Valley or the Ethiopian Rift Valley are formed due to such process of splitting of two different continental plates away from each other. ሁለት ኮንቲኔንታል ፕሌቶች ከእርስ በርሳቸው ተገነጣጥለው እየተራራቁ ሲሄዱ በመካከል ምንድን ነው የሚፈጠረው? ፎልቲንግ ይፈጠራል ወይም ስፕሊቲንግ ይፈጠራል። ይሄ ስፕሊቲንግ ምን እንዲፈጠር ያደርጋል? ትላልቅ ክራኮች እንዲፈጠሩ ያደርጋል። These cracks are called rift valleys. And what is happening in Ethiopia is the splitting of the southeastern part of our country and look the map like this part of Ethiopia is moving towards Somalia and this part of Ethiopia is moving towards Sudan. And finally in the near future, which means geologically in the near future, from 5 to 10 million years, there will be cracking, complete separation of southeastern part of Ethiopia from this part of Ethiopia. And ይሄ በምክንያት ይከሰታል due to continental divergence. Okay, the second type of plate boundary is convergent or destructive plate boundary. Convergent or destructive plate boundary, as the name indicates, it is formed when two opposite plates, plate 1 and plate 2, moving towards each other. ሁለት ተቃራኒ ፕሌቶች ወደ እርስ በርሳቸው ሲገፋፉ የሚፈጠረው plate boundary, it is called convergent or destructive plate boundary. Why is it called destructive plate boundary? Because there is destruction of plates due to the collision of these two opposite plates. In this case, there is possibility of collision, and this collision led to the sinking of one of the plates beneath the other. ምን አልኩኝ? አንዱ ፕሌት በሌላው ፕሌት ስር ሊሰምጥ ይችላል። በዚህ ጊዜ distracted ሆነ እንላለን። So there are three possible scenarios of convergent plate boundary. The first one is continent. If the converging plates are continent, two opposite landmass are converging, then the result will be bending of land. In this case, there will be formation of fault mountains. If two continental plates are colliding each other, there will be bending of rock. This bending leads to formation of fault mountains. The best example is the Himalayas. And oceanic. What if two oceanic plates are converging or colliding each other? Then in this case there will be sliding of one of the oceanic plates beneath the other oceanic plate. Why two opposite plates are oceanic? Then one of them is forced to sink down and the other is moving upward, because there is no possibility to have perfectly equal or identical oceanic plates. One oceanic plate might be denser and heavier than the other. In this case, the heavier one is forced to sink down beneath the lighter one. In this case, at this point, which is called subduction zone, መጋጫ ቦታቸው ሁለቱም የሚጋጩበት ቦታ ምን ይባላል? Subduction zone. And in this case, there will be formation of one volcanic islands and trenches. In the case of collision of two opposite oceanic plates, there is possibility of eruption of volcanoes. This led to formation of volcanic islands, one. And the other, and most geologic result of collision of these two opposite plates is the formation of trenches. Trenches ምንድን ናቸው? Trenches are simply a very narrow and deep sunken areas. በጣም ጥልቅና ጠባብ የሆኑ ጎድጓዳ ቦታዎች ይፈጠራሉ። ምክንያቱም there is sliding of heavier oceanic plate under the lighter oceanic plate. በመካከል የሆነ ቅርቃር ነገር ይፈጠራል። We call it trench. The third possibility is collision of continent with oceanic plate. In this case, እዚህ ጋር እንዳወራ ነው oceanic plates are heavy, basaltic and young ተባብለናል. And continental are less dense, granitic and old ተባብለናል. Let's say this one is oceanic, this one is continental. In this case, oceanic is forced to sink down and this continental is forced to move up. Therefore, the oceanic crust is forced to sink down, and in the long process, it will renew itself and emerge as a new crust. Therefore, oceanic crusts are young, but continental crusts are old because they remain at their original place. ስለዚህ ሁልጊዜ ቦታቸው ላይ ስላሉ ኮንቲኔንታል ላንድ ማስ አር ኦልደር ዛን ኦሽኒክ ላንድ ማስስ። እዚች ግጭት ቦታ ላይ ምን ይከሰታል? ሁለት ነገር ይከሰታል። አንድ እዚህ ጋር ቮልካኒክ አይላንድ ያለው አሁን ግን ቮልካኒክ አርክ ይፈጠራል። ሌላኛው ማውንቴን ranges ይፈጠራሉ። The best example of such mountain range formed due to the collision of oceanic and continental plates is the Andes Mountain. The Andes Mountain in South America. The third one, the last one of plates is transfer plate boundary. In this case, two plates are not sinking down or there is no uplifting. Rather, they are simply move sliding past each other. እርስ በርስ ይተላለፋሉ. No bending or sinking of plates. Neither crust is destroyed or created. ይኸውላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ዳይቨርጀንት ላይ crust created ያደርጋል ተባብለናል. In the case of convergent crust distract ያደርጋል. እዚህ ጋር ግን የለም. This is the end of three types of plate boundaries. To sum up, ፕሌት ባውንደሪ የፕሌቶች መጋጫ ቦታዎች ናቸው። እነዚህ ፕሌት መጋጫ ቦታዎች በሶስት ይከፈላሉ። ለምንድነው በሶስት የሚከፈሉት? based on the direction of movement of plates. Accordingly, constructive or divergent when the plates are moving apart, and destructive when two plates are moving towards each other, and transform when they slide past each other. What is the consequence of this movement? Bending of rocks, that is faulting or splitting of rocks, and volcanic eruption and earthquakes. Earthquakes, especially earthquake, is associated with transform plate boundaries. This is the end of today's lesson. And if you like or if you are comfortable with this lesson, don't forget to share it with your friends. And in order to have more detailed lessons, please join Temaribet's Telegram, Facebook, and YouTube channels. Thank you.